Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get ungated in Crayola for Amazon FBA. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to understand the ungating process. So ungating means in the context of selling on Amazon, discuss why Crayola is a get brand and the importance of approval. So with that all out of the way, you have to prepare your required documents. So list the necessary documentation such as invoices from authorized distributors or wholesalers. Highlight the importance of having valid and recent invoices, usually from the last 90 days. Then you have to create an Amazon seller account, and then you have to submit your application. Walk through the process of submitting a request for ungating in Crayola. Include tips on how to effectively present your invoices and any additional information Amazon might require. Then you just have to follow up and be patient. Advise viewers on how to check the status of their application, and you just have to wait and check the status of your application. Encourage patience as the approval process can take time, and you just have to retry. If you get denied for some reason, just review and resubmit your application. So yeah guys, this is how you get ungated in Crayola for Amazon FBA. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.